This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating hardware. Press each volume button deliberately. If movement is inconsistent, remove the case and inspect for debris. Once done, clean crevices with a soft brush or a quick blast of compressed air, then test again. If your phone offers an accessibility toggle to lock physical volume, enable it now to determine whether buttons or software are causing changes. This step separates mechanical faults from system behavior, so you can choose the correct repair path. Now you dig into software. Open sound settings and compare media, ringtone, and notification sliders. Adaptive or automatic volume features can change levels without warning, so disable them. Next, disconnect Bluetooth devices and close or uninstall recent audio apps that can override system volume. To be thorough, boot into safe mode. This temporarily disables third-party apps. If the fluctuation stops there, an app is the culprit. Keep observing for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm stability before moving on. Finish with decisive actions. Update your OS and any audio firmware. These often patch buggy volume control. If that fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove corrupted settings. Once reset, test volume behavior before restoring apps. If the problem persists, it's likely hardware. Contact a technician for button replacement or board-level repair. As a quick troubleshooting tip, test using wired headphones or a Bluetooth speaker. Consistent external output pinpoints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.